Thank you for this car. This was really nice.
Yeah. No problem, John. It's nice not to be busy with, well, you know.
Yeah, I guess I should start to head out now. What was that? Ah! Officer down!
Clear out! Hit it from both ends.
On it.
What is that thing?
Stop!
Sorry, but I can't.
What the? Ah! No, no, no! Kara. Not today. I think it's time for you to power off. Wait! Lex, I should have known you were up to this. I can assure you, Superman, I'm not. But I want that robot. It's got skill. It's got strength. It has everything I need. So I suggest you hand me that robot. It's actually called an android. What did you say, Tin Man? It's called an android, not a robot. I don't care what it's called. I want it. Fine, Luthor, take it. It's yours. Now that wasn't so hard, was it? Everything went according to plan. No blood on my hands, and I have the robot. Android, whatever. I have it. Soon, I'll be able to take down Superman and friends once and for all. Oh, what? Yes? Yes, you're still getting paid.